Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Pinterest. So here's the home page, and then if I go click on my account here, it'll take me to all of the pins that I have made. So one that I made one for each season of the year, spring, summer, fall, and winter, because that's my theme for this semester. So if you click on spring, I have 8 pins that I've saved. And they're each, if you click on each of them, there's pictures that are involved with them, or there's articles or fun ideas for kids that are in 3rd or 4th grade, because those are the grades I'm aiming to teach. Then if you go back to my page, we'll go into the summer one. So here they have things like 50 plus outdoor activities. You'll click on it, here I'll show you, and it'll take you to a website where it's a bunch of outdoor activities for kids. There's other articles as well, other fun ideas. You have sidewalk chalk, bubble art, water balloon piñatas. And then if we go again to my account, we'll see fall. And in fall, I found some more things, like there's a scavenger hunt, another scavenger hunt, there's fall tray painting, beaded pipe, like the corn, and there's a bunch of other like articles and other things to do, and then it'll kind of take you through how to do those. And another one I did was winter, because that's the last season. And for winter, we have like recycled Olaf craft, or Arctic snow hunt, or salt crystal snowflake. So there's some fun, super activities that can be educational in the classroom, or at home for homework, or at home for enjoying just for fun. So that's why I really like Pinterest, because it's super easy to navigate and to kind of know where things are. And yeah, you can find some great fun things to do. Thank you.